The frankfurters are usually sold hot in the stalls along the streets of the historic centers of the cities. They are served in a soft bun and accompanied by sauces of your choice, such as mustard, ketchup, and mayonnaise. In a few minutes, the hot dog is ready, the food that represents the American street food par excellence. The frankfurters are also very popular with children. Often it is their parents who invite them to eat frankfurters, at least so they eat some meat. But is it really quality meat? How are they produced, and what ingredients are they made from? Frankfurters belong to the category of processed meat and can consist of different types of meat, usually pork and chicken. It is a product obtained by mechanical separation of the meat. It is a process that allows you to remove meat residues from bones, especially pork, or poultry carcasses, chicken and turkey, using special machinery. All this takes place through a high-pressure mechanical process, i.e. through the passage of the carcasses in special presses and subsequently in sieves, in order to eliminate bone residues. In this way, the industries are able to recover those parts of the animal that would otherwise be thrown away and avoid using top-quality meat. If this process has been used throughout the European Union, it is required that it be reported on the food label. The meat scraps obtained are then ground together, pushing them through a perforated metal disc. Everything is mixed with salt, starch, and various aromas, such as pepper, sweet paprika, nutmeg, and cloves. The starch is used to thicken the mixture, and the aromas vary according to the country in which they will be sold. At this point, the compound obtained is mixed again inside a rectangular tank in order to distribute the ingredients evenly. Subsequently, it is subjected to vaporization with water. Preservatives and corn syrup are added to give a sweet aftertaste. Another machine further refines the mixture and sucks in the air, which may have formed in the dough during processing. The meat puree that is formed passes through the stuffing machine and is inserted inside a cellulose casing, which serves to give the typical shape of the frankfurters. Arranged in long lines are hung on mobile hooks, which will transport them to the cooking area. In the first phase, they are smoked under liquid smoke and then remain in the oven for 1 hour and a quarter. The casing is soaked in liquid smoke, which gives the frankfurters flavor during cooking. As soon as they are taken out of the oven, they are sprinkled with cold and salty water in order to cool them. After this time, they are ready to move on to the next phase. Subsequently, a machine detaches them from the hooks and places them on a conveyor belt. The peeling phase will thus begin, i.e. the phase of removing the cellulose casing, thus leaving the frankfurters naked. An inspector makes sure that the casing has been completely removed and that the frankfurters have not broken during the processing stages. The frankfurters are ready to be packaged where the vacuum is applied. It cannot be said that frankfurters are a genuine product to be consumed every day. They can be good if consumed occasionally with a nice hot dog or on pizza on Saturday night. You can always try the vegetable frankfurters, an excellent alternative, healthier, and friend of animals.